Good morning, everybody. This is Robin from Roaming with Rover, and we've got an interesting big old black bag here today, but I know what it is. This is my Knitcrate mystery bag. Now, this came in the mail yesterday, and it had a great big hole in the front, so I was a little bit concerned, but I think everything's okay, and I don't think anything could have fallen out, but we'll check for sure. So, Knitcrate has the best mystery bags ever, and they are running $80 a piece right now, which I'm not paying that much for a mystery bag. But because we're a member, get them for $40 a piece. Now that's what their regular prices were before. So that's doable because their mystery bags are phenomenal. And then they had a special for members, buy one get one free. So now we're down to $20 a piece. You know I'm jumping on that. So they come in a bag now, and not real sure how I feel about the bag because my Knitcrate box of the month came in a bag too, and I didn't love that. I like the pretty little blue boxes. So we'll see how that goes. So let's have at it. Let's see what we got in here. Ooh, I feel lots of beautiful yarn. And no packing slip, nothing like that. So I guess we'll just start looking at stuff. So their yarns are what I consider high-end yarns. And I believe I want to say there were 6 in each bag, so there should be 12 in here. Oh, nope, you can't see. So we'll just pull them out and look at them. So right off the bat, and this is something new they do. They have a selection. When you order your mystery boxes, it was a selection of A, B, or C. And I believe I picked C, no rhyme or reason. And I got 2 of the same so that I would get, in theory, 2 hanks of each color. So that would give me more to work with. But that may not be what happened at all. Oh, look at this. Isn't that pretty? Okay, so this is called Noon Chai. It's 45% alpaca, another alpaca, Suri alpaca, Hukaya alpaca, 10% stellina, super bulky weight, 55 yards, 4 ounces, 100 grams, hand wash, gentle, dry flat. Okay, that noise that you're hearing, we are in the middle of a terrible windstorm. We've got gusts of wind up to 70 miles an hour. It has shaken this RV, and it's making the sensors go off nonstop. So there's a lot of stuff going on. So that's why I have to keep looking to make sure there isn't actually a vehicle out there that I need to take care of. Because as you know, we're always working. So look at this beautiful yarn. To me, it reminds me of a watermelon. That's what it custom made in Peru. Most of the yarns come out of Peru, is what I'm finding out. This is called Yuri yarn, and this is called Cozy. Ooh, it feels nice. 55 yards. So, see, I don't know what to do with 55 yards of yarn. So I'm hoping I got 2 of these. Then I can make a hat, I believe. Okay, so that. Yep. Here's the other one. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Noon chai. So now I've got 110 yards. I should be able to make a hat out of that. So pretty. Okay, this is jumping out at me. Look at that. It's a goldenrod kind of color. It's thin. Bask in the glow. Indulgent sock. Audine wools. I like Audine wools. 60% superwash merino, 20% camel, and 20% nylon fingering weight. 400 yards. So as you know, I'm trying to learn how to knit. And there's the other one. And socks is always one of the things on your list when you're a knitter. Wow, look at that. 800 yards. Maybe a small shawl? I don't know. 800 yards, maybe a shawl. Okay, what else do we have in here? Oh, this is interesting. This is kind of a, boy, I can't even tell. What do they call it? Oasis. Vidlana Oasis. 50% alpaca, 25% Peruvian Highland Merino wool blend, 25% Surrey alpaca, a DK weight. So this is a 3-weight, 252 yards, hand wash, gentle, lay flat to dry, size 7 hook. Again, this is in Peru, 252 yards, and we have 2 of them, so 500 yards. I cannot even tell you what color this is. A brownish, grayish, greenish color. I don't know. This is the most neutral of colors I have ever seen. I have no idea. I don't even know what I would call that. They're calling it Oasis. So it's pretty, and it's got these little dark specklies in it. Oh, it's kind of a green speckly, maybe? I don't know. Interesting. Oh, here comes a truck. Hope it's. What's he doing? Hold on, folks. He is lost. It's so funny at the location we're at because we are right off. I mean, we are right off the highway, like 20 feet. And I get so many people in here that are lost. So he's just turning around and leaving. So now we can keep looking at pretty yarn. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Another one of those Yuri yarn noon chai. Are we going to get 4 of these? I think we are. What on earth is this guy doing? Now he's backing up. Yep. And here's another one of the Oasis and the other of the chai. So we've got 4 of these. I gotta look and see what this guy's doing. And the funny color, you know, in a different light, I would call this a camel brown. Well, and now he's leaving again, so he's just lost. Yeah, when I get that, ooh, that's pretty. When I get this in the different light, it has a real brown undertone, just a real light brown. It's very, very pretty. Very pretty. I'm curious to see how those little black dots are going to work out. And Audine Wool's Bloom. Ooh, oh, this is a chain spun. Can you see that? It's a chain spun. I like that. There's no separating at all when you're working with it. Forget me not is what it's called. 80% alpaca wool, 10% silk, 10% camel. Oh, yeah, that's nice. That is nice. 231 yards. DK weight. DK weight? I would call that a 4 weight. You know, these things. Pretty subjective when it comes to, yeah, I would call this a 4. Come on. Can't even get it on my thumb. Yeah, definite 4. Gosh, that's nice though. Pretty pretty. And here's the other one of it. Pretty pretty. Did I say the yardage on that? Hand wash, gentle, lay flat to dry. A lot of hand wash in here, but you know, wools. Wools and alpacas. And this says to use a size eye hook. There's no way that that's a DK with an eye hook. Because this one says it's a DK. And look at the difference. Wowza. Look at the difference there. There's no way this is a DK. That's a 4. That's a 4 for sure. And that's my gorgeous, gorgeous pole. Let's see if I can get one of each color in here. One of each. I gotta remember, I have to face the camera when I'm talking. It won't pick it up. Look at those pretty colors. A lot of neutrals. A lot of neutrals. Nothing too bright in here. What am I gonna do with this now? I have Noon Chai. I have 4 of them. So we got about 220 yards of this. It's funny. I see lots and lots of patterns that call for the bulky weights, but I've never actually made anything with a bulky weight. And now 200 yards, 220 yards. Give me some ideas. What can I do with 220 yards of bulky weight? Or if you have any ideas. So no, that's funny. We've got bulky weight, fingering weight, 4 weight, and DK 3. So we've got the whole gamut. 1, 2, 3, or 2, 3, 4, 5. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Okay. All right, I need your ideas. Tell me what I'm going to do with all this luscious, lovely yarn. See you later. Bye-bye.